Okay, Kira, I'm going to show you how to set the hanging indents. So let's say that this is my practice source, publisher. I got this source. I'm just typing in a bunch of random stuff so I can show you how to set the tabs from the internet on April 23rd, 2020. This is the pretend URL. Okay, so let's pretend that this is my actual citation. I would first of all make sure you know that it's double spaced, and then to set the hanging indent, you'll select all. And I'm hoping that I'm not muted. Okay, so once I have this whole thing, then what I will do is go up here and I'm going to grab the rectangle and just pull that rectangle out to the half, only the rectangle. Then I'm going to take the triangle and pull that out to the half, grab the rectangle again and bring it back to the 1. So if I come back and I start out another source, and let's say that, you know, that I just blah, blah. Like if I go all the way on, you know, with this, even to the next line, my hanging indent, okay, what on earth? My hanging indent is set. So no, what I'm trying to say is the hanging indent is set. You have the rectangle out here, you have the triangle right here, and all of your sources should indent according to that. Also, I looked up the copyright of your SKS, and they have it currently copyrighted, so it should be on 2020. So that will be your copyright year. All right. Let me know if you have more questions.